Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese Maggi. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Maggi noodles, 2 cups of water, and your favorite cheese. You can use processed cheese slices, grated cheddar, or even mozzarella for a creamy texture. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a stirring spoon ready to go. This simple dish comes together quickly and is incredibly satisfying. Next, let's get cooking. Pour 2 cups of water into your saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once boiling, add the Maggi noodles along with the entire Tastemaker packet. Stir everything gently to ensure the noodles separate and cook evenly. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes until the noodles are tender and most of the water has been absorbed. Now for the star ingredient, the cheese. Once your noodles are almost cooked and there's still a little liquid left, reduce the heat to low. Add your cheese directly into the saucepan. Whether it's slices or grated, stir continuously until the cheese completely melts and creates a wonderfully creamy, cheesy sauce that coats every strand of noodle. This step makes all the difference. Finally, your delicious cheese Maggi is ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot, creamy noodles into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. This quick and comforting meal is perfect anytime. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.